Hi guys! If you want to learn to decorate Easter cookies with marshmallow and passion fruit curd, then keep watching. First, make passion fruit curd using my lemon butter recipe, link in card above. Using whole eggs, and it is a nice thick consistency. Next, make a batch of sable cookies and cut into 12 egg shapes. Bake at 160 for 12 minutes. Now whip up your marshmallow with the leftover egg whites from the sable cookies and pipe around the 12 eggs, leaving room in the middle for the curd. Fill with the thick, cooled curd. You can leave the cookies like this to look like fried eggs, which is super cute, or you can pipe on top of the curd with more marshmallow. This will look like a whole egg. Dust with icing sugar and corn flour to stop the marshmallow being sticky when touched. Which one do you like better, the fried egg looking cookie or the egg marshmallow cookie? If you are looking for more cookie recipes, watch this next video on no-bake nest cookies. Remember my full recipe you can find on kitchenandcrumb.com in the link in the comments.